Answer seat. Question 1. First C. 1789. Second B. Cockpit. Third A. Petrol. Fourth aeroplanes. D. Fifth D. Age of science. Second passage. First University of Sorbonne. Option B. Second option C. A professor. Third option C. Boldly. Fourth physics. Option D. And the noun form of discover is discovery. Question number 6. We can keep ourselves fit and healthy by eating healthy food and regular exercise. We should not smoke or use tobacco, and we must go for regular checkup. Answer question number 7. Answer first the, second any, third an, fourth went, fifth much, sixth have. Do as directed. Question number 8. You can give me your pen. Second, he worked very hard, so he could not pass the exam. Third, he Ankit, ed remove and s place. And fifth one, Rohan does not speak, remove s from speak. Question number 6. They were walking, walked, remove walked ed and place were. And here Ajay is ill, then put so, he has not come to school today. Question number 9. First option B, in Margi house. Second, strong. Third, a clean hanky. Fourth, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Fifth, deep people can learn music. Fifth, lying on the bed in a joyful mood. 10th B, 1, 2.5 years. Second, brother boring. Third, mechanical toys. Portion B. First, a road not taken. Second, curse. Third, on starry sphere. Question answers. 11 का first, telebook. On TV screen on which millions of books stored and text appear moving. Bismillah Khan got big break in All India Radio Lucknow. Kazia's family, mother, father, grandmother. Einstein wrote letter to Franklin Roosevelt. He was feared Nazis could develop and used atom bomb and bring destruction. Abdul Kalam's house was in Mosque Street. Abdul Kalam earned his first wage helping Samsuddin in catching newspaper bundles. Margi wrote in her diary, today Tommy found a real book. 12. First, we should make friend with the wind, be firm in the mind, strong in body, and respect, strong and friendly. Traveler find himself in yellow forest. Major memory of his mother comes to the poet. Child wants toys, balloons, sweets, enjoy round about. 13th second. Two strange things Guru and disciple find in the kingdom of fools. People worked at night and slept during day, and every cheap thing have same cost. Happy Prince send a ruby for the seamstress. She is very poor, cannot buy oranges for her sick son. 14th A. Tommy described the old kind of school had a teacher but was not a regular teacher. Special building 100 years ago. All children go to school. Word remember Einstein as a world citizen since he worked for welfare of human beings and campaigned for world peace and democracy. Abdul Kalam want to leave Rameswaram to study Ramnathpuram. He had to go and grow as seagull flies across sun alone without nest. Central idea, rain on the roof. Wind thinks not fortunate have cozy bed, spend nights. Things that wind does. Break doors or windows, scatters, tears papers, throws books, brings rain, separated weak and strong, weak treated chaff, strong as grain. Question number 16th. Guru word of wisdom. This is no place for us. Let's go. They all fools. They would not last very long. King Mans found him fit for stake without mistake. Option of 16th. Precious things. Laden hearts of happy prince and dead birds. They tried to resolve sorrow and sufferings of people. They sacrificed their life for noble cause.